Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Zettelkasten week, where we get to add cards to our Zettelkastens and capture a little bit of what we've been doing this month so that it doesn't just flit off into la la land and go away, but instead we have a souvenir of it that grows our understanding that we can bump into later on as we do our work. So, Victoria, what will you tease us with on this Monday Compass?
Well, for those of you eagle eyed viewers that are paying close attention and watching, especially if you've been attending our fusion writing workshops for some time now, you might notice tomorrow is our 200th anniversary episode. So, not only are we sending you something special, which Kathleen let you know about last week, but for this episode, I'm going to have you actually do some creating of those things for your Zettelkasten. So not only are we going to be able to file stuff, but we're going to make a bunch of stuff to file because you might have to pull out 200 cards. I don't know how much I'm going to assign you, but you'll have to come back to find out. Kathleen?
Oh my goodness, this is fantastic. Well, as Victoria mentioned, we have a special bonus that's going out to all members of Fusion Writing. As long as you're a member sometime during the month of April. If you're already a member, be sure to sign up for this chart. It is a laminated chart sent to you at absolutely no charge, and it will give you all of the category numbers for the character traits as they fit into Victoria's Zettelkasten for Fiction Writing numbering system. So this is going to be the answer to your, it's about the character traits. Where do I file it? It's a handy reference chart. So we're going to use it. So come on back tomorrow. And as Victoria said, we're going to be making some cards. See you then.
See ya.
Bye-bye.